In this video, traders look at indices trading strategies. Stay tuned. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. Alright, so you've hit this video because you're interested in finding out trading strategies for trading the indices, the Dow, the DAX, the FTSE, the CAC, the NASDAQ, the ES, whatever it may be, whatever your choice market is. So I have for you 3 indice trading strategies that you could perhaps look at. These aren't advice, it's not advice, it's not me saying go definitely do it, but it might be a seed of something that you can grow into a strategy that works for you. And if you want to find out more, we're going to real deep dive into multiple trading strategies, look at them broad, go into them very, very carefully. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because we've got videos uploaded almost every day. Broad range of topics. If you like trading, if you're into trading, this is definitely the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's have a look at trading strategy number 1. Number 1 is called the 3-day drive. So what we're doing with this is we are saying, okay, market goes and it goes up and it comes down. We're kind of waiting for it to run out of steam and just being a little bit sneaky and just snatching that little intraday grab that we might get if the market runs out of puff. Now, some of these are swing trades, you'll notice in a moment, some of these are intraday trades, some of these are a little bit of both. This one's more of an intraday trade, although quite easy to set up. So you wait for 3 red or green days, bang, 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 1, 2, 3. Then on the 4th day, when the high or low is taken out, if we're in an uptrend, it's the high, if we're in a downtrend, it's the low. Then we wait for a move back into the range. In other words, 1, 2, 3 days, 4th day goes and breaks above the 3rd day high. As it comes back, we're looking to short that for a little cheeky move down to maybe close at lows on the day. So this example, here we go. That would be day 3 here. So this is day 3, and that's day 4. So we've got 3 days up. There's our high. On the 4th day, it breaks the high. Fine, we don't do anything until it comes back down through the high. Then we go short, we have a stop above the high, and we look for maybe a close, and we close the trade at the end of the day. Because we're not looking for home runs here, just for one little day pullback after 3 really stretched days. So it's just kind of be sneaky, grab a little bit on that counter trend move. But of course, if it keeps going, we're not in the trade because we only take it as it comes back down through the high. So that's one, that's quite a nice one. That. Okay, number 2. It's called trade the trend. So very simply, if we can find a trend and we get on it, trend can go on for a long period of time. One for you swing traders, this one for you traders who want to hold things for a few days, few weeks, few months even. So looking for price to trend for several days or weeks. So a nice steady uptrend or a nice steady downtrend. Eyeball that, visualize that, look, use an indicator like an ADX. You can play around and see how to identify that yourself. And really, very simply, we're using a 20-period exponential moving average on a daily chart. 20-period EMA, I don't know, could be a simple moving average. I think EMA works a little bit better because it kind of takes a bit more priority for price that's closer to the current price. So price will move away. Yeah, moving average was trying to catch up. Moving average starts to kind of, the price declines, touches that moving average. You can consider a buy as it touches that for a further move back to highs. Often, some reason it works very nicely, and often will kind of contain price around that kind of level before it pushes back up again. So one for you swing traders to get that continuation of the trade. Little tip, if it's pulled back multiple times, then don't take this one. Always look for it kind of on the 1st or 2nd move. All right, strategy number 3 is called ride the wave. So this is after a big announcement, big market moving announcement, Fed, jobs, anything that everyone's been looking at to move the market. Could be, if you're trading DAX, for example, could be like factory orders. If you're trading the Dow, for example, or if you're trading the S&P 500 or NASDAQ, could be non-farm payrolls or jobless claims, something that's really moving the market. So the big announcement comes out, moves the market, and we want to see on that day if the price closes at an extreme. So the good news comes out, price closes right at the extreme. Yes, if it does, then we want to buy or sell at that close or open. So what do I mean by close or open? So if you can, time's available, and you can buy, in this example, you buy at the close. If you can't, you're just kind of doing your analysis in the evening and you can buy at the open. Now be mindful that the open often gets gaps. So close is preferable, but if it's the open, then as long as it hasn't gapped up too much on the next day, then okay, but preferably on the close. So you're buying the close and looking for another day of follow through. So you're holding for 1 full day for a further move of follow through. Same to the downside, a really aggressive downside move with a catalyst or announcement set at the close, looking for a next day of follow through, because it's kind of the point you're looking for here. And actually, swing traders out there, you can hold that for many days, because really sometimes if you've got an announcement that's an economic based announcement that's fueling the indice or the index, then very often you might be a start of a multi-day, multi-month trend. So if you're on it and you've only missed the first day, you could be very lucrative to hold it. But again, you know, you've got all about risk management and how you're positioning and all this kind of stuff. But there's just 3 broad ideas for you to look at. Strategy 1, 3-day drive. Strategy 2, trade with the trend. And strategy 3, ride the wave. If you want to find out more strategies, then like I say, make sure you are subscribed. Have a look at all the videos that we've got on the channel. We're going to real deep dive about some of these and spend a lot of time kind of looking at some of the reasons to take it, reasons not to take them, etc. But that's a broad overview. That is indices trading strategies. Take care, keep your risk management, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.